Hi friends, I'm very excited to come here today to talk to you because a couple of weeks ago, I guess 2 weeks ago, I bought this pet crib. It's like a baby crib, but for pets, cats and dogs. And it just arrived, and I am very excited to see their reaction. Um, I'm going to open it and then I'm gonna show you their reaction, if they're going to be scared or not, and also tell you like tomorrow, not today, if it works. So, well, let me show you. Oh, this is the package. It's a pretty simple package. I mean, they are all curious. They want to know what it is. It's kind of smaller than I expected, but let's see. The size of it is just perfect. I mean, I think it fits them all, and also their food dispenser and a water dispenser, because this is meant to be a bed for them, you know, a like a camp tent for them. So yeah, I'm very pleased. It looks beautiful. It really does. I'm gonna take you to see it because it really looks beautiful. So look, this is the ceiling. It opens and closes because you don't want them jumping out of the crib to mess up the whole apartment, which is exactly what they are doing. Right, Cora? Right? That's why I bought this crib. And I guess this is the door. Let me open the door to see if they will get in, if they will get inside. I'm a little out of breath because I had to run a little bit. I don't know how this works. Okay, got it. It's like this. Remember, I have only one hand. Okay, so tag. Oh, no more tags. Okay. Let me close the ceiling. This is so freaking cute, man. It's like looking at it right now, totally different perception. I was trying to say and they got me distracted. Cora just entered. And she went back to her old bed. Flora is not even, like, she doesn't even care about anything.
Do you like it, baby? Hey? Is it comfortable? Hey? You won't say if it's the... I can't believe you did that. Cora, you are... Oh my god. Yeah, that's why I have to put all of them together inside the crib. Because otherwise they're going to be doing that all the time. But I think Zoe likes it. But now she's going to play, to tease her siblings from the crib. Yeah, that's what she's doing. Hey.
so what I was saying before was that this is Flora running, because when she's not the center of attention, she tries to do something to get everyone's, especially my attention, but everyone's attention. Well, what I was saying before is that Flora was that even though in the beginning I thought it would be quite small, right now my perception is totally different. It can fit all three of them, as well as their food dispenser and water dispenser. So it's enough. And also the blanket, their blanket. So I'm very pleased. Well, I have to spend the night to see if it really works, if they're going to behave inside of it. So, well, tomorrow I'll give you my full review and my definite opinion on this purchase. So this is the first night they slept in their crib. So I want to see how they're doing. I was worried all night long. Hey baby. Hey. Let me see the mess. Well, so I guess the pet crib is approved. It was everything that I was expecting. I do confess that I was kind of worried if they were safe in here, if they were, I don't know, comfortable, if I don't know what went through my mind, but I was checking the security camera that I have there. You can see I was checking the camera like all night long because I wanted to make sure that they were safe. And they were just like fighting and playing with each other like they do. Well, so the thing is, here they don't have the whole house to play, to run, to chase each other. They have to play inside this limited space. And that's what they did all night long. So I guess I was just worried because it was the first night, but everything was okay. So yes, my full review, my opinion of this crib, this pet crib, is that it was a great purchase. It was exactly what I needed because the cats were making my apartment a mess. They were making a mess during the night. Like I would wake up and find everything on the floor broken. Like they would play with the trash and like tear it apart, and I needed something to like, you know, contain them, and that was it.